Welcome to LDP 2.0, the lead distribution platform inside Foto Master Cloud. In this tutorial, we'll walk through everything you need to do to start receiving rental leads. Log in to Foto Master Cloud. In the left sidebar, click LDP. On the left, you'll see your available coins organized by product license. In the center is the coverage map, where you'll place your coins. On the right, you'll see your coverage summary and lead activity feed. Each active license with the 24/7 support plan gives you 5 coins. You can spread your coins across multiple cities to compete in more markets, or place multiple coins in the same area to increase your chances in that specific draw. To place a coin, simply drag it from the left panel onto the map. Once placed, the coin creates a coverage radius around that location. To change the radius, click on a placed coin and use the Service Radius slider. On the Pro plan, you can adjust coverage anywhere from 20 to 200 miles per coin. On the Basic plan, each coin supports coverage between 50 and 100 miles. Smaller radius helps you focus on a specific city or local market. Larger radius allows you to compete across a wider region. Once your coins are placed, click Save Changes. From that moment, your coins become active and automatically participate in every lead draw within your covered areas. The system is designed to balance opportunities fairly over time. When another operator wins a lead in your area, your chances in future draws increase. You may also see uncovered opportunities. These are leads where no operator had active coverage in that location. If you see one near your market, expanding your coverage may help you compete for future leads there. When you win a lead, you'll receive a notification immediately. Open My Wins from the left panel to view the full lead details, including phone number, event location, event date, and submitted notes. From there, you can contact the customer directly and book the event. That's it. Place your coins, cover your markets, and start competing for rental leads through LDP 2.0.